An adjusting entry and adjusting journal is journal created when there is cat in the balance account as recording of change in the balance of particular account can ultimately show the actual balance, so this amount to become the real balance now. The end of accounting period which and also determine the recording of a company net income and expense. The sort of adjusting journal come from evidence of transactions that have occurred period because it's prepared to find out the actual balance at the end of period. The adjusting journal will also be prepared at the end of the period. Precis this journal is made before preparing the worksheet and after determining the result of the real balance. This is what the makes adjusting journal used in order to determine the final balance with general entering the general ledger notes in Cal that adjusting journal is journal prepared to record change in balance in certain account which will later show the actual balance at the end of the period. Thus, the factor underlying the need for adjusting journal are transactions that have occurred but the information has not been recorded, and transactions that have occurred and have been recorded but still require adjustment to estimate balance. Several factors cause service company to need to make this adjusting journal, including number one, the company need to adjust the recording for equipment account. The reason in its operation, the company always use equipment that is used of antiques must also be recorded. Number two, service company must also be able to handle depreciation in fixed asset account by making separate note in the adjusting journal. That's why we take actual balance on this account can be now at the end of the period. Number three, the company must also be able to handle expense that are passed to our category receivable expense that must be paid in advance. Number four, the company need to make adjustment to pay them due to service that have been used but are still not paid for. Adjusting journal function. The function of making adjusting journal in each period including the following. Number one, to determine the nominal account, income account, and expense for period and find out the actual condition of the account. Number two, to estimate the actual nominal income and expense in the period in question. Number three, to determine the record balance to be entered into general ledger account later at end the period so that the estimate balance or liabilities and assets will show the actual amount. And number four, to find out the actual situation of the real account, asset, liabilities, and capital at the end of the period in question. How to make adjusting journal? The steps for making an adjusting journal are follow. Number one, prepare an unit just trial balance. Number three, after that, carry out an analysis of its account in business. Number three, look for all transaction data that has previously been recorded but does not match the actual situation. Number 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 four, look for transaction data that has been lost or has not been recorded but has already occurred. Number five, start recording adjusting journal entries. The purpose of preparing the journal can be explained as follows. Number one, adjusting journal are made with the aim of sorting account that are still mixed into real account and nominal account at the end of certain period, there will be several real accounts that show the expense amount. This may lead in real account, which consists of debits and assets in balance sheet. But through the adjusting journal is made with the aim providing a comprehensive picture of the income in the nominal account at the end of the period, which can also be interpreted as meaning the adjusting journal will provide a valid picture of the amount of expense and the amount of income. Number 3, adjusting journal are also made with the aim of suppressing any potential error that may occur due to several anticipated posts. Number 4, adjusting journal can also be made with the aim of maintaining the consistency that has been established in company accounting according to predetermined guidelines. Conclusion that is explanation of the meaning of the make and explain of adjusting journal to become more profits in making adjusting journal unit practice by looking exam of adjusting journal and practice them in this adjusting journal is prepared to find out the actual balance amount. Therefore, making this journal record present and quotient by knowing the purpose and function of making adjusting journal, you can carry out better accounting record of is useful.